very talented YouTuber Mumbai.
This is probably going to be the most awaited vlog of 2020, at least for me. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. टाइटल देख के आप सब लोग को समझ में आ गया होगा दिस वीडियो
Welcome back to the channel, everyone, guys. I hope you are doing absolutely nice. And आज इस वीडियो में मैं कॉपी करने वाला हूँ वन ऑफ द वेरी टैलेंटेड यूट्यूबर मुंबई का निखिल and I will be copying a whole day and I will be doing it. Let's see how it's working. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's 28 degree in Visakhapatnam right now और बाहर ठंड है हल्की फुल्की और काफ़ी अच्छा वेदर हो रखा है. हम जैकेट वैकेट पहन के निकल सकते हैं बाहर. आई डोंट नो वट एवर इट्स मे बी एंड लेट्स सी आगे क्या होता है. Hello guys, so it's a normal day in hostel and I'm preparing for my semesters और मेरे 4 एग्ज़ाम्स ऑलरेडी हो गए हैं और एक आखिरी यूनिवर्सिटी एग्ज़ाम बचा है मंडे में और वो हो जाने के बाद लेट्स सी व्हाट आई विल डू आफ्टर दैट. उसके बाद भी 2 एग्ज़ाम बचे हैं वन दैट आर लाइक कंप्यूटर एंड EVS. आफ्टर दैट आई विल बी कम्प्लीटली फ्री और 24 को शायद मैं कहीं घूमने जाने वाला हूँ. At that time I will see what I can do. Let's do. What can I do in hostel? What a boring day. I want to vlog from outside the window as Mumbai ka Nikhil does, but these windows are not suitable for me to do all that kind of things, but I will try. Alright guys, so I am trying to take a shots like Mumbai ka Nikhil does, but these windows are not suitable and I don't know how I could. Alright guys, so it's just a day in a hostel of a typical Indian student who does nothing but in hostel he's enjoying with his friends at evening or somewhere, I don't know, and let's see what I will do the whole day. These are the old stuff papers of our college and I will make a cinematic shot of it. Let's see how it goes. Typical hostel wali feeling wali, like that kind of thing, and I don't know what can I do. So it's 28 degree in Visakhapatnam and it doesn't feel any warmness or it doesn't feel anything, and the mausam, or you can say the weather, is so nice and the atmosphere is so cool and quiet. Humid है थोड़ा बहुत, but it's okay. And I want to show you the view, the back side of my building, and it's a awesome view. Back side or front side, it's just awesome view. I want to show you that. Let's. Alright guys, so I hope you're enjoying this video and stay tuned with the video and let's see what's going on at the next one. the corridor where we stay, and unfortunately I can't show you our room now because in next few months or when the colleges will start again, then we will change our room. At that time I will show you each and everything. हेलो गाइस, तो मैं लंच से आने के बाद सो गया था और आई स्टडीड फॉर अ लिटिल व्हाइल, देन नींद आई ऐसी. आई स्लेप्ट अराउंड 2 o'clock something like that, and I just woke up when the time is 5 o'clock. So I just slept so well. People are taking picture over there. Poses are like sometime I think that why does Mumbai का निखिल means वो अपना कैमरा खिड़की से बाहर निकाल के क्यों लॉक करता है?
ये पूरा जो है विंडो खुल जाता है यहाँ तक, ऐसे पूरी नेचुरल लाइट आती है. सही है ना मम्मी? थोड़ा कैमरा सोच समझ के बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा फिर ब्लॉक करो वो तो. अच्छा, अपना सेकंड लास्ट फ्लोर पे, टॉप फ्लोर पे.
So many times I was watching him and I was like why? वो अगर गिर गया नीचे तो तकलीफ उसी को होगी. बस चल इस मूवी का निकल, सो आई वांट ट्राई इट और मेरा तो फुल प्रोटेक्शन है. The down view of my building. It's just an empty place, and nobody is here right now, and the weather is so cool and quiet. It's a great evening. But I can't do anything because my exams are there. Alright guys, so we do it nicely, properly, like Mumbai ka Nikhil style. Alright guys, so with that's it for today, and shukran, alvida, masalama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Thank you for watching. Adios amigos. Alright guys, so thank you for first of all watching this video, and I like Mumbai ka Nikhil so much, that's why I just and let me know in the comment section if you guys like this video and you want more video like this so that I could make it. That's it. Right guys, so this was it for today, and अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करो, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, और इफ़ यू लाइक माई कॉन्टेंट देन अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट पसंद आता है देन लाइक करो, शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब करो. दैट्स इट. सब्सक्राइब करने में पैसा नहीं लगता, कर लो, मौका है. थैंक यू.